Hi, it's Soda King Walker. I turned 10 last month, and I'm going to be talking about Spring Air BB rifle. So this thing doesn't use plastic BB bullets. It uses copper bullets, which are really heavy if you have a big pound of it. And I'm going to be shooting it at that concrete and the plastic box. Alright. So first we gotta crank it. That was a lucky shot. I think I got it, that one, probably. Okay. Cut the concrete. Got it. Didn't make that one. This is completely hard. But what happens if I show in the sky? That went super far. I'm gonna just stand up right here for this one. That's good. This time, I'm gonna like not. This time I'm not gonna put like pressure on it. So I'm just gonna like let it go when I shoot it. Alright, that was really hard. Alright, that's gonna be the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe for more daily awesome videos. And have a good day. So, bye.